Hello viewers, I am Farzana, teacher of St. Xavier's Senior Secondary School, Hardoi. If you like my video, hit the like button, share it and subscribe for more videos. Good morning student. In computer, chapter 1 is input process output. Today we will learn input process output chapter, very important chapter in computer. The short form of input process output is IPO. In computer science, input process output is known as a IPO cycle. I have drawn here IPO cycle diagram. With the help of this diagram, I will try to make you understand that how does a computer work. A computer works on IPO cycle. Actually, IPO cycle represent the entire functioning of a computer. One by one, I will explain each step here. First is input. Any raw data or information which is given to the computer by the user is called input. What is input? Any raw data or information. For example, if you have written your name with the help of keyboard, keyboard input device, you have written your name, that is called input. Input means any information which is given by the user to the computer is called input. Second step is process. Whatever instruction which is given by the user to the computer, CPU receives data or information. CPU, CPU is known as the brain of a computer. The full form of CPU is C stands for central, P stands for processing and U stands for unit. So CPU receives data or instructions which has been given by the user. CPU processes the data and stores in its memory and produces the result. Now third step is output. Output, whatever instruction given to the computer, CPU receives and produces result. That is called output. Computer displays the result means output through output device like monitor. Output means result. Whatever instruction which is given by the user to computer means CPU takes the data, processes it and provides output. So in this chapter we have learned the entire function of a computer, that how does a computer work. Computer works on IPO cycle. First of all, you have to give instruction to the computer. Computer receives your instructions and processes it and produces the output as per the instruction which is given by the user and provides the output in desired format. So here we have learnt the function of a computer. In next video we will do activity which is related to this chapter. Thank you.